children, open your new Sparkle semester series, standard second, semester second book, page number 7. You open page number 7. Exercise. Read the poem, fill in the blanks. Tiny seeds, green leaves, tender love, under, around, priceless gems, new life. Read the poem they have asked you. Means a plant grows from a tiny seed, some soil, water and sun it needs. Tiny roots grow underground, they draw up food from soil around. Next come stems that are stout, then the green leaves spread about. Flowers bloom from buds on stems, look as colorful as priceless gums. Some plants bear juicy fruits, some have vegetables at the shoots. Shower tender love and care so wise, watch their new life on the rise. Shower. Read the poem. So we have read the poem now. Third one. Make sentences using the given words. Grow. We grow plants for food. We grow plants for food. Bloom. Flowers bloom from buds. Shower. Our parents shower love on us. Our parents shower love on us. Bear. Mango tree bears juicy mangoes. Mango tree bears juicy mangoes. Make sentences means you have to make in this way. Words will be given and with the help of these words you have to make the sentences. Activity language development. Activity language development. Words ending with ft, nd, nk, nt and mp. Read each word aloud. Ft, fit. That is lift. Lift, lift. Gift, gift. Soft, soft. Soft, soft. Raft, raft. Loft, luft. Then nd, that is band. And band. Band. Grind, grind. Spend, spend. Sound, sound. Fund, fund. Nk, ink. Nk, ink. That is brick. Brink, brink. Brink, brink. Drink, drink. Monk, monk. Plank, plank. Rank, rank. Ant, ant. Bent, bent. Ant. Plant, plant. Grunt, grunt. Hunt, hunt. Front, front. MP, damp, that is damp. MP, amp. Okay. DAMP, damp. DAMP, damp. LAMP, lamp. HUMP, hump. CAMP, camp. STAMP, stamp. STMP, stamp. Come to page number 8. Page number. What is the word? What is the word? Read the given clues. Select the words from the above table. Write the answer. Crush into powder. That is grind. that is grind. Collect money, collected money, fund, collected money, that is fund. Made from wood, plank, Plank. Something wet, damp, Damp, damp. Sound of pig, grunt. Curved, bent, curved, bent. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Select the words from the table in question 2. A camel has a hump, H-U-M-P, hump. I spend 1 hour on my homework. The fur of my cat is soft. The fur of my cat is soft. Hunters hunt animals. Hunter hunt animals. Children drink milk. Paste a stamp on the envelope. Gopal got a nice gift. The monk sat in the front row. The monk sat in the front row. Speaking skill. Observe the picture. Explain the growth of a seed to a plant. Page number 9. Activity grammar. Am, is, are, was, were, will, be. Tina speaks about the visit to the park. Fill in the blanks using am, is, or are. Am, is, or are. See here. I am Tina. I am Tina. He is Tarun. I am Tina. He is Tarun. I am. When we speak about means about ourselves, that is there we have to write as I am. When we say about the boy, he is, we have to say he is my brother. He is my brother. Meena and Manoj are our friends. Are our friends. We are in the park. Where we are? We are in the park. There are many trees. There are many trees. There are flowers. There are birds and bees. There is a coconut tree in the garden. There are many coconuts on the tree. Coconut's water is sweet. I am happy. I am happy that we came here. Are you happy too? Are you happy too? Yes. Am, is, are, was, were, will, be. So, am, when we talk about ourselves or others, we use am. When we talk about ourselves or others, we use am, is, and are. Am is used only with I. I am is used only with I. Is used with he, she, it. This and that. Is used with he, she, it, this and that. Are is used with you, are. We, they, these and those. These and those. See here. Am, is, and are. When we talk about ourselves, our or others, we use am, is, and are. A1. Am is used only with I. Am is used only with I. It is used with he, she, it, this and that. Are is used with you, we, they, these and those. Are is used with you, we, they and those. So we have filled the blanks. We have filled these, fill in the blanks with the help of am, is, are. Now come to page number 10. Tina has had something to say about an event in the past. In the past. Use the verbs was and were to complete the sentences. To complete the sentences. Tina was in Ooty last May. Tina was in Ooty last May. Her parents were with her. Ooty was very cool. It was very crowded. There were many people from all parts of India. They were shopping. People were happy moving in the streets. Now third one. Tina speaks about the future events by using the verb will be. Replace the underlined verbs with will be and rewrite the sentences. The visit to Ooty is a hit. See here, underline, no? Tina speaks about the future events by using the verb will be. So, replace the underlined verbs here, is and will be, and underlined verbs with will be and rewrite the sentences. The visit to Ooty will be a hit. People were, underlined were, happy. People will be happy. They asked us to write with will be. Using the verb will be. Replace the underlined verbs. Is, were. Now Tina was in the garden. Tina will be in the garden. I am in the market. I will be in the market. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. Write in the box whether they tell about the present, past or future. The children are at the park. Underline the verbs. Are. The children are at the park. This is present. They were at the market this morning. They were. Where is verbs? Underline the verbs. They were. This is past. They were. The bus stop was crowded. So this is past. Page number 11. There is no bus available to go home. This is present. We will be taking a taxi. Future. We will be. This is future. Complete the sentences using is, are, was, were or will be. Montu was absent yesterday. He is present today. He will be writing an exam tomorrow. Challenge. In each sentence, circle the incorrectly used verb. Write the correct verb on the line. The sun was a source of energy. The sun is a source of energy. Is. The elephant will be a mammal. The elephant is a mammal. Eggs were an animal product. Eggs are an animal product. The dinosaur is a living animal. The dinosaur was a living animal. Write sentences using the given verbs. Write sentences using the given verbs. Am, is, are, was, were. This is where. Yes, right here. I am, T-I-N-A, I am Tina. When is, I-S, is. I am Tina. This is, that is a ball. That is a ball. Then are, A-R-E, are. We are friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. D1. What will you write here? Was. It was a butterfly. Was. W-A-S. Was. It was a B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. F-L-Y. It was a butterfly. Then where? E1 is what? Where? W-E-R-E, where? They were boys. They were boys. In this way you have to write. Open page number 15. Activity grammar, conjunction and but. Conjunction and but. Read and remember. The words and but are called connecting words or conjunctions. The words and but join words or sentences. Example, a lion and a tiger. A lion and a tiger. I play cricket and table tennis. The soap is tasty. The soap is tasty, but it is very spicy. Fill in the blanks with the correct connecting words and but. Amol's dog. Amol has a dog and its name is Bonnie. Bonnie is young but it is very active. Bonnie is loving but it scares and bites strangers. Bonnie likes to scare cats and rats. Amol has many pets but Bonnie is his favorite. Fill in the blanks with the correct connecting words and but. Insects. Bees and butterflies are insects. Bees and butterflies are insects. Butterflies are pretty and they are colorful. Butterflies are pretty and they are colorful. Bees are beautiful but they sting badly. Bees are beautiful but they sting badly. Mosquitoes and flies are also insects. Mosquitoes and flies are also insects. They are small but dangerous. They are small but dangerous. Write 2 sentences using and 2 sentences using but. Using but. See here. Write two sentences using and two sentences using but. Tina and Neeta went to the market. They bought red and yellow dress. The lion tried to escape, but the net was very strong. The lion was strong but kind-hearted. So, the homework will be from page number 7. Homework. Page number 7 to 15. Read and write for one time. Yes, children. Page number 7 to 15 page. Read and write for one time. With this we will meet in the next video. Thank you, children.